and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're 6. So I have acting and Katie has ballet.
Pretty much.
Good luck. Well,
Thanks.
no, not good luck. Break a leg.
Break a leg, you too.
But not literally.
No, not literally.
We're just getting our temperatures and our tests. Oh my gosh, you guys. So basically, I almost thought for a second I didn't have 2 tests, but it's actually because they gave me an email, not a text message. So I showed 2 text messages when actually I need to show an email and then a text. I don't know. It's fine because I found it.
And here she goes. She's about to hit the tap. Whoa! Would you look at that? Unbelievable. Now she's going to pull the door open. And now we're going in to hell.
Hell?
Here we
Is
are.
that hell?
Yes, it is.
No, should we show them like a tour? Okay, guys. So what block is this? I don't know.
We don't know.
So, as you can see, there's these steps. And also you show them the...
They have an arrow facing this way. And there she is.
Inside, guys. It's
Yes.
raining.
There's a forecast of annoying rain on the inside of the building.
Here we have a dance studio.
Wow.
It's quite cool. Do you want to see inside?
Let's take a look.
Just go inside, just look at it. Quite a nice studio. We were in there on Monday.
We're a clean school, clean energy, recycling, plastics, cardboard, food waste.
This is what we call the caravan. People call that the caravan.
Without wheels.
Without wheels. Okay. Then you go through here.
And here we go.
And there's like 2 rooms here. And then you pull this one. And this is where we are today.
She's combing her hair and she is on a ball. Alrighty.
Bye guys. Hey friends vlog. This is Jeannie. She's always in the vlogs. Aren't you? Do you have anything to say?
Keep kind and be cool.
Yeah! Flowers! Are they for me? Yay!
Hi, Tamsin's vlog.
Hey guys, so this is Grace and we got our acting performance.
We're in a We're in partners together. Is that the right way to put it? She's my partner.
Yeah.
She's my partner. That's it.
Yeah, and we're so excited.
I'm colouring my heels. Tammy's YouTube is just now a vlog channel.
I don't have anything else to do.
Hi guys, I'm colouring in my heels.
Yeah, so you do get
Going
the
well.
mark on them.
Smash that one.
Here's
No, you
Melody.
can't even tell. This one, banned.
Oh, look! I have your sheet music! Thank you! It's the final assessment. Dun, 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 dun. It's the final assessment. There's my outfit for the day. If you don't like it,
Through that paper, your mom's a hoe.
your face.
This is our faces before. And this is our after.
Hey, Tamsin's vlog. Well, Dad! Hey, okay, go back. I'm waiting. We did it. Yeah. Tammy T smashed it, everyone. Smashed it.
Well done, Tam.
Well done, Tam. Well done, Sophie.
Thank you. Thumbnail.
These people are so unreliable, guys.
Where did you get that? Oh no! Point up to it again. George. Assessment system.
Guys, I'm so proud.
Enjoy.
I'm so proud of my tummy. You were so good.
You were so good.
You were so good.
So you're so good. And your American accent as well.
Did it sound American?
Yeah.
We did it! We did it! We were so amazing! So was fun! Well done, Jeannie! Well done, Tam! How much it's raining, guys! Singing in the rain, do some singing.
Don't put that in.
Whoa.
Pirouette.
Good luck! Bye! We just had... what's it called? MD. Yeah, that. I keep dancing on my own. Wait, I know how to do that lift now. I saw someone do it. I go like this, like this. I think I'm doing it wrong. Oh my god! Wait, did I get it? You just did it. Sorry.
Thompson, I don't like being in your vlog.
Ready for MT with our skirts.
Yeah, what we're doing, we're not doing
I
the...
think we're singing today.
We're not doing the...
One at a time.
What are we?
I think so.
We're not doing the... What's it? Hot seating.
The hot scene. No hot scene.
Yeah,
So we're going to MT with Thompson's heels. See you later.
Hey guys, so I just finished MT and it was so good. I did it by myself and it was really fun.
She was really good. She was really good.
You were really good as well.
Thank you.
Really good.
We're gonna kiss.
What's that thing? Two best friends in a room. And my kids. It's our moment again.
I don't know what to do.
Should we do a lift? It's not really a lift, but like, you know, grab my leg. And then we're both going to Yay!
The velocity shoes as well.
Why?
Should we move the velocity shoes? Excuse me, Amy, this is my star moment.
I said, Sunny, do something cool, and then he just did like a straddle, and it was like box, like completely up, and he didn't even do a preparation. He was just like, that is just insane.
So, Thompson, everyone wants to know. We're finished with assessments.
We
What
finished
are
now.
you drinking tonight?
Milk.
She means Bailey. There's TL over there. Hello, TL.
Was that good?
Yeah.
Really?
Bye, I'll see you next week, Thompson.
Yeah, because guys, stay tuned. There's a very special weekly vlog next week.
What, weekly?
Yeah, because it's gonna be like special week because we've got a surprise. We find out tomorrow. So yeah, be sure to watch that. But yeah, bye guys.
Hi. Alice, get in the vlog. Come on, this is Alice.
What am I saying? Alice! Wait, you're Alice? Yeah. Hello, Alice. Nice to meet you. And you, Thompson. No, I met you last week.
You did, but what's my name?
You are. No.
Thompson, I love
Go
your
on, give it a
photos.
go and I'll tell you if you're close.
Something like Brandon. Something big.
Oh, not Brandon, no.
George.
Yeah.
I knew it! I knew it! That was my second guess.
I mean, how many names begin with G then? You've got Gary and George, really, haven't you?
I haven't met you.
Wow, I know you.
How do you know me?
You're famous on YouTube.
I'm not famous.
Guess what his name is, Thompson?
Videos.
He's the real life Billy Elliot.
If you don't get this right first time, I'm never going to be friends with you.
Oh my god. I don't know.
Look at his lanyard. Look at his lanyard.
Oh my god, Christopher!
Oh my god, we're best friends forever!
Christopher, that's such a good name.
Thank you.
Because you can also be called like Chris. Do you like that?
Yeah, I love it.
Or like... something else.
What's it
Or like Chrissy. Chrissy.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Oh my god, I love it. It's nice to meet you guys.
Meet you.
What, have you had the assessments today?
Yeah, we just did jazz and ballet.
Yeah, jazz and ballet.
How did they go?
I think quite good to be fair.
Show me a pirouette. It's so good.
We did dance
That
though.
was literally so good. Wow.
We love.
So was that your last one then?
Yeah,
We're
finished
done
now.
now. Finished.
Yeah, I just did my acting one.
Oh, lovely.
It was really good.
We need to go shopping.
Are you going shopping?
Food shopping.
Aldi.
Okay. Oh, have a nice time. Bye.
I'm back. I'm back. God, am I going to be in a YouTube video?
Yeah. This is Holly, everyone. Hi guys. She's amazing. Bye.
I've just finished my assessment.
Yeah, so do I.
How did it go?
It was so fun.
Yeah.
What did you do? You did jazz and ballet, didn't you?
Just finished jazz. Say hi to the gang. Hey,
Oh my god, everyone's here! Oh my god.
Smash ballet and
I watched your dance
Assessments
workshop.
are
It was amazing.
Oh, thank you so much.
It was absolutely.
Thanks, I really
Yeah,
like
we've
yours
done our
too.
assessments now. Yeah, yours was good. Yours was really good.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Right, guys. Well, assessments are over. Congrats.
Let's go to McDonald's.
Assessment's over! Here's Tom again.
Hello, Tom's just done his assessments.
Yeah. Do a jump.
Hi guys, this is Tamsin's Amazing Tricks. Yeah! Yeah! Go on, Tom. Whoa!
Yes, Tom!
Look at that! Woohoo!
I actually cannot believe that I did the accent. Like, I feel like I did it pretty well.
Yeah, you did really well.
Right, see you later, guys.
Yeah.
Bye.
Hey, Tammy's vlog. I'm getting my folders ready.
Do a bit of Trader Go.
No, absolutely not. Sorry, you will never catch
But you're still a traitor. And when you don't you dare forget about the way you betrayed me. I know that you'll never feel sorry
Make me feel my love.
the way yeah, you talked to her when we were together. Lived you and yours. But that didn't matter. It took you 2 weeks to go off and date her. Guess you didn't cheat, but you're still a traitor. Hi, Cherry, George, Eloy, Alice, Christopher, everyone that I just met today. I hope you're having an amazing day at the time you're watching this. So yeah, I have my lesson in 5 more minutes. Dun, 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 dun. Guys, so I just did my lesson. It was so good. This is Ben. This was good.
Really good, yeah.
Really good. What song did you do?
Cry Me a River by Michael Bublé.
That's so good. Oh my god. Well,
Great song.
bye.
Bye everyone.
My bestie.
He's my bestie. He's my bestie.
He's running away from me, but he is my bestie. Trust me.
Joe, the car.
Joe. He just doesn't want to talk to me today.
So you said that your lesson went good?
Yeah, it was good.
Wings and raw.
Oh no.
And that was amazing.
Oh really?
She said that I was. She said that I was amazing. That I had really good placement.
That's great.
And that it sounded really good.
Stunning.
And then I did wings, but it wasn't like as good.
She's a pop singer, guys. Hit her up.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing? Oh yeah.
Wait, what's her name?
Shiloh.
Shiloh. Say hi to the vlog.
Going like.
She had the best day ever, like absolutely the best day ever. Like all my lessons were so amazing. I feel like I just did so well in them, and my acting assessment, me and Grace, we literally smashed it like we always do. I feel like it was my best performance. There is some things that I think I could have done better, but I am really happy with it. Well done 2A, you are the best ever. I did a new song and my teacher said she really liked it. And then I also did That Away, and it was really, really fun. today's just been such a good day. It literally has. It's been really amazing. It's been such a good end to the assessments. Also, I've just realised, you guys probably can't hear me because there's a really busy road right here. But yeah, I'm gonna go inside now. There's bees everywhere, like absolutely everywhere. Look! There's a plane. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? It's Superman! Thanks guys so much for watching. I'm gonna end this video here because I'm finished now for the day. But yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, comment. Bye, love ya.